In this lesson I will show you how to use a Crypto Pip Calculator you can find on the Get Now Trading website, which I will leave the link below the video into the description. So the Crypto Pip Value Calculator is a calculator which needs several units or also several settings that you need to fill out to get the pip value. On the left side you can see this pip calculator where you need to enter the number of pips and then select the instrument where I have put currently Bitcoin against US, but you can also change to any other. For example, if you want to use Ethereum, then you can use this one. Just simply type it and select it. Then you have the number of units, which means a trade size, where you define how many units of a base currency will have one standard lot. When you use a mouse and you put the mouse over this unit trade size sentence, you can see that forex pairs are 100,000 units per lot. But you need to check your account broker, which are using a trading platform on. You need to check how he has defined the units for one standard lot for this cryptocurrency, because this will affect the value of a pip. So in this case, I have put 1 unit for one standard lot, which means 1 Bitcoin for one standard lot. And my current broker that I'm using is IC Markets, and this is on the right side, it is a trading platform MT4 from my broker. Then the next one is deposit currency. And the deposit currency means which currency you have on your trading account. If you take a look here, in the trading platform, you can see that the balance I have in US dollars. So my deposit currency is US dollar. Then you have here the pip size. Let's return to the Bitcoin because I will show you an example with the Bitcoin. Just a minute. Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin 1 pip size, which means 0.01. And that means when you go to the trading platform and you can see on the right side on the vertical scale where the price is, it says $30,024.88, and that means 0.88, which means the last digit, which is currently 8, is a 1 pip. So the Bitcoin 1 pip size is 0.01, which is on 1 decimal point. So when you go and check on the trading platform, you can see that the price is changed. So when the price changes from the current price, which is 0.38, when it's changed to 0.88, which we have seen, that will be a change of 50 pips. So that is something that you need to have in mind, because this value, Bitcoin pip size, will affect the calculation. So in this case, my broker has defined that 1 pip is 0.01 price change. When you have entered all the fields that you need to enter here in the Crypto Pip Calculator, you click Calculate and you get the value of 1 pip. So what I have mentioned in the trading platform, when the price goes from 38 to 88, that will mean it is the 50 pip change, which means you need to calculate 0.01, which is a 1 pip value, multiplied with a 50. So when we put here 50, click Calculate, we get the value of $0.50, which is 50 cents. So if the price changed by 50 pips, which means I have seen here on the trading platform, that means I will make or lose $0.50. So let's continue further on. When you go to the trading platform, you need to check, and that is the first step, how to check the value of a unit. Inside the Market Watch, where is the list of all symbols, you can click the right mouse button on your symbol. In my case, it is Bitcoin USD. When you click right mouse button, you get the menus where you need to click specification. This will open a new window where you have all details from your IC broker. And the most important thing is the contract size, and that means the units, the trade size. So the trade size is the contract size. So if I have here number 1, that means I need to put here in the pip calculator number 1, and that represents how many units of base currency has one standard lot. So in this case, one standard lot has 1 Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin in Bitcoin against the US is the base currency. So this is very important. The next thing that is important for you, and that is the minimum and the maximum volume. So for example, the minimum volume is 0.01 and the maximum volume is 10, and the volume step is 0.01. So this means when you go to the new order and you open this one window, you have the volume which represents a lot size. So when you use a drop-down menu, you can see that the minimum one is 0.01. So you can open one micro lot on a Bitcoin USD. And the maximum one is 10. So you have here number 8, but you can use keyboard and enter number 10, and then you can open a sell or buy order on the trading platform. In my case, I have already opened one order, which is a Bitcoin USD at the price $2.13. And that is here on the trading platform where you can see it. Now, current market price is 30.50.32. So this is change for 66,500 pips. So when you enter this number in the pip calculator, you can get the pip value, which means how many US dollars you would make or lose. In my case, I have opened a sell order, which means the price has dropped from this price to this price. So I am in profit, and you can see how much is that in profit. So it is $634. When you enter this number of pips, which is 65,800 for example, and click calculate, you get the pip value should be $658. So this is current my profit on the trading platform, and you can use the pip calculator for the cryptocurrencies to calculate how many pips will be valued in the deposit currency. So for example, if you would like to use this pip calculator to calculate how much of profit or loss you would get in this trade if you set, for example, stop loss and the take profit. So let's take, I would like to put 10,000 units as a stop loss, and I would like to use 25,000 as a profit. Click modify, and this is what I get. Sorry, this was not 25. This was, just a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one less. It is 1,000. Okay, 10,000. This is okay, and 25,000. Well, this is okay. So this is nice because I already have the take profit. So this is okay. So the take profit would be here. It is 25,000 pips, and the stop loss would be 10,000 pips. Okay. So how to easily calculate how much of money would that be in the deposit currency. So if you put here number of pips would be 10,000, that is the stop loss, and calculate, that would be equal to $100. And when you put here 25,000, which would be a take profit, calculate, you get $250. So when you go to the trading platform and use your mouse to hover this line, you would get the profit of $568. And that means you would be with the stop loss, which is equal to the price currently on the chart is $3143.32. So this example shows you how much money you would make on this trade, but I am already in profit for this number of pips. It is 66,000. This means I would be in profit with $568 right now. So the 10,000 pips I have put is from the current market price, which is currently 30,044.70. So in this case, maybe this will be a little bit hard to understand how this works. So I will close this order and I will open a new order. I will open again one standard lot and sell by the market. Okay, and then I will change the market price for this order to set the stop loss and the take profit, and click modify. Okay, Now let's go to the smaller time frame so you can see much clearer how this works. Okay, I have put 10,000 pips, which is equal to $110.67. And the take profit I have put for 25,000 pips, which would be equal to 239.83. Now you can see the difference. It's not the difference is here compared to the calculator because we have a spread, and the spread from the broker is, for example, I think it is 1,000 pips. So this is the price difference for $10 that we have on the stop loss, and we have around $10 different from the take profit. So this is very good to use the crypto calculator to get the precise pip value, and that is because if you are using the risk to reward ratio, that means, for example, if you open a sell order and you would like to lose $100 and to get 2.5 or 3 more times than the loss to use the profit, then you would use this Crypto Pip calculator. You can use it to calculate the number of pips that you need to have on the trading platform set to get the desired profit or loss. So this is introduction how to use the Crypto Pip calculator. You can use also manual calculation, and to do that you can use here this article where I show you how to use the values and use your manual calculation to get the pip value. So for example, here it is number of pips, instrument, lot size, and also deposit currency with a pip size for the Bitcoin. And then you have a calculation for one example, how to first get the number of pips, and then you get the profit for that number of pips. So check the crypto calculator here on the website, check the example, and then check also here on the trading platform and use this example as introduction and also a step-by-step guide how to use and calculate the pip value for any cryptocurrency. Have in mind that also you can check on your broker website the specification sheet. For example, here for the IC markets, you can see that they have defined how much is the Bitcoin details. For example, the size of one lot. It says 1 BTC, which is 1 unit of the base currency. And also you have the minimum volume and also the maximum volume, how much you can use on a trading platform. And here is the pip size, which means 0.01 on the price change. So if you have any questions regarding the Crypto Pip calculator, please leave a comment below this video. And if you like the video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!